Ladies and gentlemen, it is your constitutional right to give a police officer the finger and not be breaking the law. This came out on Fox News, March 6, 2019. And yes, you are seeing things right. Constitution protects giving the finger to police officer, court rules. So a judge said it is not a crime to give the police officers the finger. I don't know, these overly emotional cops, I don't know, y'all, but let's get into this. Turns out the right to give a police officer the finger is protected by the Constitution. A federal appeals court ruled this week. Judge Jeffrey Sutton of the U.S. Courts of Appeal for the Sixth Circuit wrote in his opinion Wednesday that fits the rudeness or lack of gratitude, excuse me, may violate the golden rule, but that doesn't make them illegal or, for that matter, punishable. So he's saying it's not illegal or punishable to give your finger to the cop. Any reasonable officer would know that a citizen who raised her middle finger engages in speech protection by the First Amendment, he wrote later. According to court documents, plaintiff Deborah Cruz Gallegos was pulled over for speeding in Taylor, Michigan in 2017, but Officer Matthew Wayne Milnard wrote her a ticket for non-moving violation, a lesser offense. Cruz Gallegos still chose to give him the finger as she drove away, so he pulled her over again, this time changing the ticket to a moving violation. How could he do that? I mean, even if you didn't like the finger, if she wasn't speeding away like she was at NASCAR, then I don't see what you could really do to her. However, the court determined Cruz Gallegos did not break the law in order for the second stop to be legitimate. Okay, so being that he really violated her at that time, she could get the whole ticket thrown out. She was at most exercising her freedom of speech rights, the court said. She can't be black, y'all, but let's go on. By stopping her the second time, Milnard also violated her Fourth Amendment rights as well. But you know what? Cops in general do not care about constitutional rights. You can see it all on video, the way they police. They violate constitutional rights every damn day around this country. You know, they would have to go beyond this case in order for it to make an impact, but we know they won't. The court determined the second stop was an unreasonable seizure, though Maynard compared his case to a prosecutor taking back a plea deal if a defendant behaved badly. The court did not agree because these facts differ materially. As alleged, the first stop had ended a constitutionally significant event before the officer initiated the second unjustified stop, the court added. There you go. All right. He should have just let it go and move on. But now she don't have to pay that ticket because of him doing that second stop. So she don't have to pay the ticket now, y'all. This cop was stupid. So there you have it. You can give the middle finger to the police officer, and it is protected under freedom of speech, according to this federal judge. I tell you, like I said, they violate people's constitutional rights every day in America. every day all over this country, and nothing is usually said about it. Even if they're wrong, no one says anything. They go along with it, and in our case, it don't matter if constitutions are violated or not, or we're shot in the back. It seems to be okay with courts all around America. Shoot us in the back, and they go home and eat dinner and act like it never happened. Please tell me what you think, ladies and gentlemen. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.